Hey guys, my name is Dipankar, and in this video I'm going to talk about smartx. As you can see on the screen, I have the three components that the smartx is comprised of. This is the smartx hub, this is the smartx switch, and this is the smartx sensor. So the smartx hub is built around this Raspberry Pi, and in this video I'm going to take you to the steps that the user needs to take when he brings this product first time in his home and would try to configure it to its home network. So this is the smartx hub, and of course he will not be able to see all this stuff. The only thing the user will see is this power LED, this tricolor LED that tells about the state, hotspot mode or the client mode, and this shutdown button. So let's see how the user will interact with this system when he will bring this first time and will try to configure it. So I'm going to power this smartx hub first and configure it. So I have this power adapter, and I'm going to power this. So as you can see, when for the first time the user will power it on, and you can see there this red LED is glowing, that indicates power, and this LED at the top is displaying three colors: red, blue, green. And on boot it is trying to figure out if it has the password of any SSID that it encounters. So right now this system has been booted for the first time, so obviously it do not have the SSID of my home network. So after it scans, this light should turn to be a solid blue, which indicates that it did not find any known Wi-Fi hotspots, and now it has turned this Raspberry Pi into a hotspot, so that we can connect to this Raspberry Pi and can enter the SSID. So you can see the LED is now solid blue. That indicates that the Raspberry Pi is now a hotspot, and as you can see here on the screen, so it should display the smartx hub. This is the hotspot created by Raspberry Pi. If I connect, oops, just connecting to smartx hub. So now it is connected. Now I can use this login page. So I can enter my SSID and password here. So now the system will reboot. Now you can see the system will reboot, and now if it successfully connects to my home network, this LED should turn solid green. So as you can see now, the LED has turned solid green. Now if I connect to my home network, you can see here, if I go down, now I'm connected to my home network, which is Dream 107, and if I try to visit this IP address, and I have this page where I can so this is the interface by which I can switch my switches and can where I can see the temperature sensor readings and everything else. So this is at 192.168.1.200-8123 that is hosted on the Raspberry Pi. So my Raspberry Pi is successfully connected to my home network. So now I need to follow the same configuration process with this switch. As you can see, this switch has an ESP8266 relay and a physical button. For those who do not want to use the app, let's suppose my grandparent comes in and you do not want to go into the hassle of using the app, you can just use this physical button, and this button will be there on the switchboard as you usually see the buttons. So let me power it on. So as you can see, I have this switch 01, which is a hotspot created by this switch. Now let's configure Wi-Fi. Use this, and sorry. So far so good. Now I should be connected, and now if I go on my page and you see this light has turned on, and here you can see in the bottom there is a relay, and when I flip it on you will see an LED turn on there, and you can also hear the sound of the relay. See this working. Right, and I can also use this physical switch here, and you can also see when I press this physical switch, the state also changes on the screen. Now similarly I can connect this sensor here, and this sensor has been already pre-configured, so if I connect it I should see the readings on my user interface. So this is a 1 wire temperature sensor, and now I should have the readings. You can see, so it's pretty hot here, 30.5 degrees Fahrenheit, which is being displayed from this. So let me try, and you can see the temperature is rising. So this is the complete system, the proof of concept of the system, that it works. So this is the central device. Everything is communicating with the central device through the MQTT, and the system can be accessed not only on the local area network but also through an external network. So thank you so much. Hope you liked this demonstration. See you next time.